IBKR stock analysis and IBKR stock predictions. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to trade this, whether I'm buying or not, and all this good stuff. And I'm the only guy in the space that's done 45,000 videos over 5 years and has experience of everything. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Experience of everything. I have proof of everything that I've done, right? It's not like I'm not any type of wizard, so please don't just blindly listen to me. Do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what's worked. With IBKR, of course, I'm looking to hopefully double down in a way here. I do have a bunch of receipts, IBKR, with about 5 results right there. But the only thing that will matter to me is, okay, I have my demand zone here. Here's the 1-hour chart. The only thing that I hope I see is a proper double break. I got the first one, so basically all it comes down to is if I have a second break about 63.32, then and only then I'm looking to take things further up. Other than that, me randomly buying here will be noise. It's not gonna be happening. So that's IBKR. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules. So if you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next